Activity 5. Science and Our Life. Today is 28th February. It is World Science Day. There is science exhibition in Karthik School. The Math Science Club of the school is in charge of the exhibition. Karthik visits the science exhibition with his mummy.
Mummy, hurry up.
Are we late for your science exhibition?
Yes, because it's really very important for me and also for you.
For me?
Yes, for you too.
Okay, we have already reached your school.
Wow, all parents have come. What an atmosphere of the school. Come, Mummy.
Take it easy.
Now they are at the entrance.
Look, here are the 3 sections. Environment, Paryavaran, Health plus Agriculture, Krushi.
Where shall we go for?
To the agriculture section.
Why?
Because I am interested in it. Then we will go to the section of environment. And after that, we will visit the health section. Let's go.
Okay.
Hello, Prachi. What is your project about?
Hello Karthik. Hello Auntie. My project is on the terrace gardening and hydroponics method of agriculture.
What is that?
Nowadays, because of urbanization, we have no enough space to grow trees or plants. Therefore, we should use terrace for gardening and for that, hydroponics method of gardening. In this method, we have to make layers of stones on plastics on the terrace. With their help, plants can stand. After that, plants will be planted at appropriate distance and then give them water. We can also use PVC pipe. By hydroponics method, we can grow vegetables and fruit.
It's really a wonderful idea. Thank you, Prachi.
Yeah, thank you, Prachi. Karthik, we will make it on our terrace.
Sure, Mummy. Let's go to the environment section.
Okay.
They are at another science project.
Hey Karthik. Hello Auntie.
Hey, what is your project about?
The project title is Bamboo and banana are the best. Really, bamboo is a wonderful plant because there are many uses of it. The bamboo is very strong, therefore it is used to build the bridges. We can make many things like fences, fishing rod, rafts, basket, furniture, etc. A plant may grow 80 feet or even more. Sometimes it shoots up 3 feet in a single day.
It's wonderful.
How is music produced on a flute?
It's magic. The bamboo has joints all the way up the stem. The stem is hollow between the joints so that we can play on a flute. See these pictures.
What about the banana tree?
Yes, banana tree is also very useful because its leaves, flowers, trunks and fiber are important. Banana leaves are large, flexible and waterproof, so they are used as food containers or plates. It is also useful in making cups, papers and dishes.
Really useful. I have heard that we can make sari from banana. Is it true?
Yes, it is right. Nepalis give rough material to Rugmark, an institute which stands for child labor. It is also known as Goodwill International. They make clothes. This institute helps to abolish the child labor. In Tamil Nadu, weavers weave fibers of banana and make saris.
Really wonderful. Good job, Vasant.
Thank you, Auntie. See?
Let's go to the last section, Mummy.
Sure.
They reached the Health Plus section of science project.
Hello, Anjana. What is your project about?
Hey Karthik. Hello auntie. My project is about health is wealth. Herbs and spice do more than add flavor to dish. Spice and herbs are really very useful for our body. See the chart. Spices. Ginger uses decreases motion and sickness. Elaichi. The oil of cardamom seeds is used in the treatment of toothache. Shatavari. Its leaves boiled in oil are used for massage in brain disease. Garlic destroys cancer cells.
Anjana, really a good one. છે. I am very happy to know because I can use all things for my family's health. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, auntie.
Let's go, mummy. We will try to make terrace garden with the use of hydroponics method of agriculture.
Why do you forget banana and bamboo?
Yes, it's right. We will also grow more trees and plants. They are useful.
Really? Thank you, Karthik, because you gave me chance to know more about its nature and its blessings.